If you're into supercars, 2026 is about to get really exciting because Lamborghini has officially unveiled something wild, the brand new Lamborghini Temerario. And let me tell you, this thing is a proper head-turner. You know how every time Lamborghini drops a new model, they somehow manage to make it even more outrageous than the last? Well, the Temerario feels like the perfect mix of bold design, futuristic tech, and just enough insanity to keep the Lambo legacy alive. First off, just looking at it, wow. The front end is aggressive in that unmistakable Lamborghini way, but it feels sharper, more sculpted, like it was chiseled out of a block of steel by someone who is angry but precise. The grille is wide and commanding, the headlights are thin and laser-focused, and the whole stance just screams performance. What I love about Lamborghini is that they never try to play it safe. While a lot of brands are chasing sleek minimalism, Lambo is still saying, nope, we're gonna make this thing look like a fighter jet on wheels. And the Temerario nails that vibe perfectly. But here's where things get interesting. Under the hood, Lamborghini has gone hybrid with this beast. Now, before the purists start panicking, this isn't about taming the bull, it's about giving it more muscle. You've got a screaming V8 paired with electric motors that don't just add efficiency, they add instant torque. That means ridiculous acceleration off the line and the kind of punch that'll push you back in your seat harder than your brain can process. It's still very much a Lamborghini at heart, but now it's packing the benefits of electrification. What surprised me the most, though, is that Lamborghini is positioning the Temerario as not just a track monster or a boulevard cruiser, but something you could actually take off-road. Yes, an off-road Lamborghini supercar. Think of it as Lamborghini embracing the whole adventure lifestyle wave. We saw hints of it with the Sterrato, but the Temerario takes it further, with a raised suspension option, rugged drive modes, and tires that can actually handle more than just smooth tarmac. So picture this, blasting down a desert road or carving through a mountain trail, all while sitting in a Lamborghini. It's wild, but it kind of makes sense, right? The brand is leaning into fun, not just speed. Now let's talk interior, because Lamborghini has been stepping up their game big time. Slide into the Temerario, and it's like stepping into a sci-fi cockpit. Huge digital displays wrap around the driver, but they've done it in a way that feels immersive instead of distracting. The steering wheel looks straight out of a spaceship, with drive mode selectors built right in. You've got premium leather, Alcantara, crazy contrast stitching, and of course, Lamborghini's signature hexagonal design theme everywhere you look. But what really stands out this time is how customizable it all is. Want neon accents glowing through the cabin?
Done.
Want your interior to feel like a race car or like a luxury lounge? The Temerario gives you that choice. And then there's the sound. Lamborghini knows their cars aren't just about speed, they're about drama. Even with the hybrid system, they've tuned this thing to roar. The exhaust note is deep, angry, and still has that spine-tingling crackle when you let off the throttle. Add in the electric motors, and you get this futuristic we're layered into the sound, like a mix of mechanical rage and sci-fi soundtrack. It's an experience, not just a drive. Now, of course, we've got to talk numbers. Lamborghini hasn't officially confirmed every last detail yet, but early reports put the starting price around the mid-$300,000 range. Which, let's be honest, is very Lamborghini. It's not supposed to be cheap, it's supposed to be exclusive, outrageous, and something that makes you say, one day, maybe. And compared to past models like the Aventador or the Huracan, the Temerario feels like the next logical step. The Aventador gave us that raw V12 drama, the Huracan gave us precision and accessibility, and now the Temerario is giving us the future, hybrid power, off-road versatility, and a design that refuses to blend in. What I think is really cool is how Lamborghini isn't just chasing horsepower wars anymore. Don't get me wrong, this thing is insanely fast, but they're also thinking about how people actually want to use these cars. Not every owner wants to baby it in the garage and only take it out on Sunday. Some want to explore, to road trip, to push boundaries beyond the racetrack. The Temerario feels built for that mindset. So, is this the Lamborghini of the future? Honestly, it kind of feels like it. It's bold, it's loud, it's versatile, and it embraces hybrid technology without losing its soul. If anything, It shows that Lamborghini can evolve without watering down what makes it special. And in a world where a lot of brands are playing it safe, that's exactly what makes this car so exciting. If you've ever dreamed of a Lamborghini that could conquer more than just the city streets, the Temerario might be that dream made real. It's wild, it's ambitious, and it's proof that Lamborghini is still one of the few brands willing to take risks and have fun doing it. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario the perfect evolution of the brand, or is it a step too far into uncharted territory? Personally, I love that they're taking chances. It feels fresh, it feels daring, and it makes me wish I could see one in person right now.